To view our tender price comparison report, we can go to the cube button here. We can go to either tendering or tendering report. Tendering will allow you to view based on addendums, revisions also. So to view the tender comparison, one thing you have to check is make sure that your tender has already been opened, whereby you can see the rates at the open tender site. So let's go through on tendering site first. Click at tendering, and then it will direct you to the tendering page, which is over here. Okay, so in this page we have all of our estimates, we have our BQ. To view the tender submission, we go to view tenders. So here you can actually see all of their submissions inside here. So like I said, in the tendering side, you will actually be able to view in terms of changes to the rates. So let's see, we go to tender setting. So we have our Alibaba construction here. If you want to know what are the rates that has been changed, you can actually click at log here, and all the changes is going to be highlighted in red color. So we have our addendum 1, we have our addendum 4, we have our addendum 5, we have our addendum 6. Basically this indicates that the changes has been done. So let's say we click into single type here, into frame. So here are actually the rate that has been changed during this revision submission. Okay, so that's how you can actually detect on changes to the rates. So in this page we can also see all the comparison of the price, whereby if you click into it, you can see all of their submissions and you can actually compare at this side. But if you want to print out your tender price comparison report, is going to be, let's go back here. If you want to print out your price tender comparison report, you will be clicking at tendering report here. So once you click at tendering report, you'll be directed to the tendering report module. So this page, you'll see all of your consultants' estimates. To print out, we are going to click view tenders. So we have all of our tenders here. If you want to print out the summary, you can actually select all the bills if you want to print all, or if you just want to print one, you can just select one of the bill and click summary. So you can select summary, select the tenders, summary all tenders, summary with revisions. With revisions indicates that this is based on addendum. Okay, so if you want to further detail, double click inside. Let's say we select multi-type here. So if you want to click at the element level, you can select all, item rates and total, per unit all tenders, total all tenders, or with revision. Same goes for item total, item rate, and also summary. A further breakdown, you will have to double click inside and you can see the details here. You can print based on item rate, item total, or item rate and total. So let's take a look as, for example, let's say we want to print out item rate and total all tenders, lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Okay, let's say I select lowest to highest. So I have the display over here. This is what it's going to look like. So as you can see here, we only have our estimates. So to make sure that you selected the tenders, make sure at the tender setting here, you check all of their names, close. Item rate and total, all tenders, lowest to highest. Then only you will see the tender submissions also for comparison. So all this green highlights that this is the lowest. The red highlights this is the highest price that has been submitted for that item. So to print out, we click print. We can either print out in PDF or export to Excel. So let's say I show example for PDF. So this is what it will look like. We will also have the green highlight and the red highlight over here. Okay, so this is what is going to look like when we print our tender price comparison report in bill space in PDF formatting. As for Excel, we click export to Excel, download, and let's open it up. Okay, so this is our tender price comparison report. So we have the green colored boxes and also the red colored boxes. So like I said, this is going to be the lowest, this is going to be the highest, so it depends on which formatting that you decide to print. Okay, so that's how you do your printing for your tender price comparison report in bill space.